Hello! We're back with another Xbox controller charging station. This is a 4-bay station that includes 4 1500 mAh large capacity batteries. So pull everything out of here. We have the station, the easy to read manual, our 4 batteries, and then here's our wire to plug our charging station in. Batteries, they look of good quality. Pins look like they're durable. They're encased inside of plastic, which seems very durable. The charging station itself is very appealing to the eye. I like that there's grips on the bottom here so that it kind of stays in place. The batteries seem easy enough to install. All you want to do is match up the groove on your battery to the groove on your power station and just push down until you hear that click. Once we have all of our batteries in, we could go ahead and plug our USB into the charging station and the Xbox. Once you see the red lights light up, that signifies that your charging station is now powered on. Now we just wait for the red lights to turn green. Now that our red light has turned green, we could take our green battery that is fully charged out, match up the negative and the positive, and insert it into our controller. I did some gaming with these. They are definitely long-lasting, fast charging. If you're in the market for a new charging station or batteries, definitely check this product out. It's way affordable and extremely durable. See what we have next time.